The Helsinki Olympic Stadium, an enduring monument to Finnish athleticism, design and resilience. Located in the Töölönlahti district and surrounded by parkland, the Olympic Stadium is the largest sports venue in Finland and one of the country's most iconic landmarks. Designed by architects Yrjö Lindegren and Toivo Jenti in a striking functionalist style, the stadium was completed in 1938 in anticipation of the 1940 Summer Olympics. However, those games were cancelled due to World War II. The stadium finally fulfilled its Olympic destiny in 1952, when Helsinki hosted the Games as a newly independent and peaceful nation. These Olympics were a symbol of global recovery and cooperation in the post-war era, and marked the first time the Soviet Union, Israel, and many other nations participated. The Helsinki Games are still remembered for their hospitality, modesty, and organizational excellence. The stadium's most distinctive feature is its 72-meter-tall tower, offering panoramic views over the city, one of the best observation points in Helsinki. The building itself is celebrated for its clean lines, limestone details, and timeless sense of proportion. It underwent an extensive renovation between 2016 and 2020 to modernize its facilities while preserving its architectural heritage. Today, the Olympic Stadium hosts everything from football matches and international athletics to concerts and cultural events. It has welcomed legendary performers like Bruce Springsteen, U2, and Beyoncé, in addition to top-tier sports competitions. Nearby, you'll also find the Finnish Sports Museum, which chronicles Finland's deep sporting traditions and Olympic history. Whether you're climbing the tower, attending a match, or simply admiring its elegant design, Helsinki's Olympic Stadium is a powerful reminder of sports' ability to unite, inspire, and endure.